What's up, citizens? It's your boy MaviJulo, and I'm back with another quick video. But first, you already know the deal. Go ahead and like and subscribe because we always need more people in this trial. Let's go ahead and get into it. And so if you have seen my past couple of videos, I've tried to do what I call the perfect wash and go. You know, but I don't know if I would consider them the perfect. We're just gonna say those are trial runs for the perfect wash and go. But for my birthday, and I'll post some pics below, I decided to go with the wash and go, and that one was the best one I've done so far. And so, probably post some pics right here, but this is basically day 2, and you know, as you already know, when I do a wash and go, for some reason the first day it looks great, but then as soon as I go to sleep, it shrinks up. I think I found a remedy to that, and so as you can see, I have my hair kind of, you know, banded up a little bit, kind of like a pineapple method, but I didn't go all the way up here with it because I needed to get in the shower. But I had it banded up for a couple of hours, and so I'm going to take it down and refresh it with you guys, and hopefully it'll be the wash and go, you know, the results that I've been looking for, because usually day 2 results are the best. And so let's go ahead and get into it, y'all. Let's take these bands out, and what I have, I'm not going to refresh it with water, but I do have some of the Mane Choice Tropical Moringa restorative spray. And oh yeah, see, with me bending it up just that little bit, look at it, see the curve. Yes, okay, so yeah, let me go ahead and stop right here and say, to get myself to this point, you know, I always do the the LCOG method when I do my wash and go. So I do a leave-in. I used what did I use? The Not Your Mother's Kinky Moves. I used a cream, which in this case was the Miche Organics Twisting Souffle. Pick up that one. That was really good. I know what y'all, you know, have heard about Miche, but the products are still good. Don't count yourself short. But anyway, back to the program. I used their cream and then some regular old coconut oil. I'm still a fan of coconut oil. You know, you just, I guess in my opinion, I just get lucky, I guess. You know, I always get unrefined, extra virgin, expeller, cold pressed coconut oil. So if you're getting heat pressed, if you're getting anything other than what I just said, you're probably, again, counting yourself short. We don't want to do that. We want to keep all the coins on the table. But after that, I went in with my new fave, my new babe. You know, she about to be my new side chick, the wet line. You know, why did y'all tell me about this sooner? Like, this is like I said, this is day 2, and so I ain't mad at it, because usually if I do a wash and go, it ain't past the first hour. But this one, we still rocking. And you know, I had a little band right here, so that's why, you know, we have to keep the edges. They're a little crispy right now, but it's okay. You know, keep the edges laid. They can still go another day. But what I'm gonna do, just to refresh it, liven it up a little bit, as you can see, the curls have elongated a little bit. And that was my problem, was the shrinkage. And so I'm just gonna spray some. Spray some of this all over. Don't really want to drench it too much, just to give it a little wake up. You know, I like to shake my hair a lot, so if you see me do that, it's just I want to, you know, liven it up. And so after that, I'm contemplating on if I want to use some of this hair milk. I really don't know. I mean, it feels kind of moisturized. I wasn't really expecting this, so I probably won't. But I'm gonna go in with some of the Miche hair and scalp oil. I really like the smell of this oil. You know, I haven't really used it long enough to say if it's, you know, healing or anything, or what it moisturizing, because like I said, I'm a faithful user of the coconut oil, so that's my tried and true. But I ain't mad at it. This smells great. If you want something that smells good, gives you great shine, you know, and a little bit of moisture, go ahead and pick you up some of this Miche polished hair and scalp oil. And then on top of that, because I did wash with the Hairitage line, I actually like that line. So if you're, out of all the products, I'll say they're double down conditioning co-wash, or they're conditioning, that one, you know, that's gonna be probably one of my new faves. Probably gonna be a holy grail, but I'm still testing it out just to see. And then I'm going back in with their Hairitage Argan serum. They say it's an oil, but in my opinion, it's a serum because it's clear, and it's a white clear. You know, most oils have a yellowish hue. You know, this, no offense to Hairitage, like I said, you see me using it, so you can't say nothing. You know, but that's just gonna give my hair that touch of oil, that touch of light. You know, when you get a whole bunch of compliments like, "Ooh, what you do to your hair?" I mean, not a lot. And so here she is. Well, in this case, here he is. I keep saying she, but it's because my products, I like to give them a girl name. You know, she. You know, because I don't know. It's a habit, y'all. But Pierre. Pierre, he ain't gonna be mad. He know I'm just joking with y'all. But good, yeah, let's get into that, y'all. I'm just feeling it, making sure it's not clumping together in any place. You know, I do expect some frizz, so I ain't gonna really be mad at it if I find some. But honestly, the Miche products have done the best job overall. You know, it's kept them juicy, and so I shake my hair just to liven it up a little bit. But look at that! Come on now, you can't tell me. And then what I usually do, I got this little band, you know. And I always start with the back because it's easier. I come my ears. And I usually push it right there, and then I'll just push back to about right there. You know, that long talk stock the video, but look at there. That is all she wrote. See, I can say it right there. You know, Pierre's looking nice. You see, this is what we call a perfect wash and go. She ain't 100% perfect, but she perfect enough. She perfect for me. You know, and so y'all get into it. You know, if your girls shrink up a little bit more than expected on that first day, band it with a couple scrunchies. You know, let it sit up there. What I did was pulled it back, took my shower. You know, the moisture helps because it'll help elongate it. You know, when you put a gel in there, it's pretty much a cast. It's blocking it all out. So anytime you can put some extra moisture in there, it's gonna help you. And so you get in the shower, band it up, then get in the shower, and then do what you gotta do, and then get out. Go ahead and get dressed. Hey, and then in this case, do a spray. This will be my leave-in, and then my oil cream combo, which ain't really no cream because I already got enough Miche in there. But yeah, I ain't mad at it. You know, because I trimmed it, I will say it shrinks up a little bit more than I'm used to. But hey, you know, you got to start somewhere. And so this just to give y'all an idea of what it looks like. Show y'all the back. You know, we got to make sure curls is popping. You know, I always gotta shake them, make sure they're free. I don't necessarily like stiff curls. I want them to hold, I don't want them to be stiff. Get it? So that's all she wrote. If you like this video, if you like what you see, go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. You can make a little comment too, because we always need more people in this tribe. Peace and love, y'all. I'm out.